Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a scalping strategy. We will go ahead and explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working. And by the way, if any of you guys has a suggestion about a certain strategy, and wants me to make a code and video about it, then you're more than welcome to leave me a comment with a link about it and I'll check it out and get back to you with another video. So let's start. This strategy includes two free trading view indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. UT bot alerts. We need to change some settings. STC. We need to change some settings. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, we need to see buy signal from UT bot indicator. Then the STC line must be green and under the 25 level. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low. In this strategy we have 5 targets. First target is 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Second target is 1-to-2. Third target is 1-to-3. Fourth target is 1-to-4. Fifth target is 1-to-5. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, we need to see sell signal from UT bot indicator. Then the STC line must be red and above the 75 level. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high. First target is 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Second target is 1-to-2. Third target is 1-to-3. Fourth target is 1-to-4. Fifth target is 1-to-5. Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 44%. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So you can use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.